I want to show you what a weld looks like if you don't clean it right. There's all this crap that almost looks like slag covering the weld. Oh yeah, that was way too easy. All sorts of issues in this one. Right here, all along the bottom here. Now we're going to take a piece and properly clean it and show you the difference. Pure acetone. Oh yeah, and that's clean your filler metal off too. There's no dirt sitting on the top, no porosity. Oh. Well, you can see the difference already. Very clear difference.